some touch and hug and rub me. I be wild and I got problems still with niggas from the bottom, but I'm really hella loyal, hella patient, even though niggas be testing my patience. Every day giving you all of my time. I get away when we fuss and we fight. You turn your back and no pain.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and I'm back. Hopefully I'm in focus because I can't tell. I'm back, and I'm back with another cooking video. This is, you know, these cooking videos are very near and dear to me because I do these type of videos because in real life I'm trying to level up on my cooking and my baking skills. That way, you know, it'll just be second nature. Today we're doing some cooking, kind of baking too, but mainly cooking. Today I'm going to be making homemade biscuits. Wow. I want a nice breakfast sandwich this morning because I got up at 6:45 a.m. and I worked out for like a little over an hour. So, you know, I figure by the time these biscuits are done cooking and stuff, I'll be hungry. I'm not necessarily hungry now. I figure while I go and freshen up and stuff and they're cooking. I don't know what I'm saying, but let's go ahead and get into this. If you like videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and do this. So first off, I just want to say that this is not my recipe. I'm using somebody else's recipe that I found on YouTube. So I'll leave the link down to her video in the description box below. So step one, make sure you wash your hands. I washed my hands right before I hit record. So, you know, make sure you wash your hands, you lather, rinse, repeat. You get all up in there and you get rid of them germs before you touch this food, okay? Don't be nasty. You're gonna need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you're gonna need 1 Do you have to interrupt me? You just had to let yourself be known. You need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You need 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. You need 1 teaspoon of salt, and you need 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. The person in this video said that the butter needs to be very cold. This just came out the freezer. And then you need 3/4 cups of whole milk. We don't have whole milk, so I have to substitute. But on Google it says that you can substitute using heavy whipping cream. So but I don't have whole milk, and so heavy whipping cream, you use half the amount. So instead of 3/4 cups of this, you use half of that, and then the other half you put water. That's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully that makes sense. What is half of 3/4 of a cup? So we need 6 tablespoons of this and 6 tablespoons of water. So it said 2 cups of flour. This one, that's 2. Next I'm gonna put in my baking powder. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I've got all the dry ingredients together. I'm gonna go through and just mix that together. I don't know if I said this, but you need to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. So I would recommend that you preheat that first before you start making the mix. I know my parents watch my videos, don't worry. I'm using a small knife. She said you need 6 tablespoons. So you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm right here and I'm gonna chop this up. So 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is a little harder to cut because it's frozen, and then I'm just gonna cut those in half, and then I'm just gonna put them in the bowl. Alright, so you should have 2 tablespoons of butter left. She said that you should cut the butter into the flour, that way by the time you're done it should have like a crumbly texture. So, and by cut she means like this. So she said you can use a pastry cutter. Don't have that, so we gotta improvise, and I'm gonna use this whisk. Okay, I think I'm there. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can pick that up on camera, but you can see it's kind of crummy. You've got those bits of butter in there. They're not as big, but they're broken down enough, I think. So now I'm gonna add my milk mixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that. Here's my milk mixture since I don't have any whole milk or just regular milk. 6 tablespoons of heavy cream, 6 tablespoons of water. I'm just gonna take my whisk and whisk it really quick. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just pour my milk mixture into here. And I'm just gonna mix this together until, she said, until everything is incorporated together. So again, I'll be back once I've gotten there. I think we're about there. Okay, so now I'm going to take some all-purpose flour and I'm just going to throw some down on this counter. That seems like a decent amount to start off with. Then I'm just going to throw my mixture on here. Okay. And she said that you want to fold this like in layers, so you want to fold it like 5 or 6 times to get those flaky layered biscuits, which is what I want. So that's what I'm gonna go for. It's very sticky, honestly. So I'm gonna take some flour and just flour my hands. That way they don't stick as bad. My goal, I hope I can get at least 8 biscuits out of this. This is a big biscuit size. That is huge. Yeah, this is huge. This is a cookie cutter. This is really huge. So I'm just gonna use this cup. Can y'all see the difference between how huge this is? Like, just to kind of put it into perspective a little bit more. This cup can go completely through that. So that's too big. I'm going to use this. I've got a baking sheet over here. Y'all can't see it, but I'm just gonna go through. Push down and twist. Oh, we got a biscuit. Look at it. Look at her. Aww. I can kind of see the layers a little bit.
Press the cutter straight down into the dough. Don't twist it.
Okay, I'm sorry if y'all hear something in the background. Somebody's using a leaf blower. SpongeBob. But I was able to get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I was able to get 11. I was about to call these pancakes. I was able to get 11 biscuits out of that dough. You probably could have got 12 because this is what I have left over, and it's not going to be the same size. Like, even if I flatten it out all the way, it's going to be a lot thinner than these. So yeah, but I'm happy with it. I wanted 8, I got 11. So she said that you want to put parchment paper on the baking sheet, which is this. And she said you also want to place your biscuits on there pretty close, about 1/2 inch from each other. Now I'm going to put these in the oven for 12 minutes at 425 degrees. Alright, I'll see y'all in 12 minutes. Okay, so the timer just went off. After 12 minutes, this is what they look like.
Wow!
Now, I like my biscuits to look this color, but I like for them to be a little bit more golden. But if you touch the top of them, they're done. Done on the bottom. They're golden on the bottom, but I want that on the top. I think just for safety measures, I'm gonna put these in here for like another 2 to 3 minutes and just watch them. See smoke, don't be alarmed. It's the parchment paper. It always does that, especially when the oven is at a high temp. They got a little bit more goldness to them. I'm gonna use this. I can't believe it's not butter. Butter. And here it is. While they're hot, piping hot. Let's try one. I'm gonna try, I wanna say, well, yeah, I'll try this one. This is what it looks like. A little golden on the top, good on the bottom. Y'all see them layers, them flaky layers. I'm gonna try these quick because this pan is up to temp. Oh my gosh. Oh! And they're done on the inside. I did that. I was scared that the milk concoction that I had to make was gonna make it taste weird, but it tastes just fine. Oh, these are good. I'm gonna go ahead and make my sausage, turkey sausage, and then a little bit of grape jelly on one of these biscuits, and I got a sandwich. Thank y'all for watching. If you like videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below letting me know what food do you want to see me try to make next. It could be like a food, or it could be like baking. I'm trying to level up in both, so let me know. And I'll see y'all in my next video.